Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this shell border with picot. This is a hot pad. I used two squares I crocheted with the double crochet rows. And in this video I'm going to show you how to make the border, and in the same time I'm going to join the two squares. For this you'll need yarn. Here I used 3 colors of yarn, two for the squares and one for the edging, a crochet hook, some scissors and a needle. For this specific pot holder, I have used 2 squares that I crocheted with double crochet stitches rows, as you may see. So you will need 2 squares. So let's get started. I'm going to work. I will start from the first square. From the first stitch in the corner here, I have a chain 3. I'm going to insert the hook in the third one, and in the other square I'm going to insert the hook in the last double crochet or in the last stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 stitches, or slip stitch in the corner, in the first stitch in the corner. Chain 3. This is counted as the first double crochet. Add chain 4. In the fourth chain from hook, make a single crochet. Double crochet in the same stitch or in the same stitches, the stitch of the first square and the second square. Chain 3. Around the double crochet just work a single crochet. Double crochet in the same stitch. Skip 2 double crochet or 2 stitches, and the next one insert the hook of the first square. The same thing for the second square. Skip 1, 2 and work in the third one 1 single crochet. Skip 2 stitches, work double crochet, double crochet, chain 3, around the post of the double crochet just works, work 1 single crochet. In the same stitch, continue working 1 double crochet, chain 3, around the DC just work a single crochet, double crochet in the same stitches, chain 3, around the double crochet just crocheted, crochet a single crochet, 1 double crochet, this is my first shell, skip 2 stitches, insert the hook in the third one of the first square and also in the second one, 1 single crochet, skip next 2 stitches and work in the third one, 1 double crochet, 1 picot, which is chain 3 and single crochet around the double crochet, just work. Repeat the second double crochet with the second picot, the third double crochet, chain 3, single crochet around the double crochet and the last double crochet in the same stitch. Skip next 2 stitches and work a single crochet in the third one for both the first and the second square. Like so, you are joining the 2 squares. Continue sew all the way until you reach the corner. In the corner, my shell will be different, will be bigger. Let me show you what I mean. Insert the hook in the last stitch. Of course, your stitches have to be a multiple of 3. Double crochet, chain 3, single crochet around the double crochet, double crochet, chain 3, single crochet around the double crochet, chain 3, 1 single crochet around the double crochet, repeat until you make a beautiful shell. 5 picot. That's perfect. The last double crochet with no picot, and that's perfect. I think this is perfect and beautiful. Skip the next double crochet and work in the next one single crochet. In every corner, try to make a shell, a big shell like so. Continue working. Skip one row, and the next row work your shell of three picots. Double crochet, chain 3, single crochet around the double crochet in the same space, chain 3, single crochet around the double crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet around the double crochet, and the last double crochet with no picot. Skip one row, and the next row insert the hook to make a single crochet. Continue sew around your blanket or any other crochet project you are working on. I worked my shell border with picots all around my square until I reach the first corner, which is the last one. Now I'm going to join in the same stitch, the first stitch. I'm going to add some stitches to make my corner a beautiful one. Double crochet, chain 3, around the double crochet just worked one single crochet. This is my first picot. We have here 1, 2, this one here is third, so I need 2 more. 1 double crochet, chain 3 to make the picot, 1 single crochet around the double crochet. I still need 1 double crochet with 1 picot, chain 3, single crochet, and the first chain 3 in the third one make a slip stitch. Cut the yarn. Use a needle to hide the yarn. And this is the result. It's beautiful from both sides. Thank you very much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.